Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your JBL earbuds. First, ensure both earbuds are fully charged. Then, place them into their charging case and close the lid for a few seconds. This initial step helps to reset their connection and prepare them for the syncing process. It's a simple but crucial starting point for a smooth setup. Next, remove both earbuds from the charging case. Now, press and hold the button on each earbud for about 10 seconds. You should see an indicator light change on both earbuds, confirming they have been reset. This action clears any previous connections, allowing for a fresh start in the syncing process. With your earbuds reset, open your device's Bluetooth settings menu. Look for your JBL earbuds in the list of available devices and select them. You might need to confirm a pairing request on your device. Once connected, you should hear an audio cue or see a notification confirming successful pairing. If you encounter issues, try forgetting the earbuds in your device's Bluetooth settings and repeating the entire syncing process. Also, ensure no other devices are actively connected to your earbuds, as this can interfere with pairing. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can also resolve minor connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.